Take command of the road in the 2005 Toyota Highlander. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include power windows, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a roof rack, and much more. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.